Hello and welcome to the highlights of Match 4 of the Pakistan Junior League. Gujranwala Giants once again facing Bahawalpur Royals in this encounter. At the toss, Bahawalpur Royals decided that they want to bowl first. Looking at these sides, Gujranwala Giants unchanged from their previous game, being led by Uzair Mumtaz. They've got their overseas Siobhan Daniel from Sri Lanka, Ariful Islam from Bangladesh and Tom Askewald from England. Bahawalpur Royals also go unchanged with their three overseas, Yohan Mani from South Africa and Kharotai from Afghanistan, Nathan Edward from the West Indies. Let's join the action on Match 4 as Gujranwala Giants come out to bat.
The new ball, a little bit of swing, but it is offered up. A little bit of a half volley. And Mohamed Wakas is off and running with a boundary. Oh, bowled. He played all around a straight, quick delivery from Sajid Ali. Bowled a good first over, and he started this second over with a wicket.
Hazan Oais, he has to depart again cheaply. This time Sajid, very good delivery, straightforward delivery. He wanted to play across the ball.
Full again, a quick single. That's something they're going to have to do, overthrows. It was a wild throw and the keeper couldn't take it, Slip tried to back it up. And it will be 5 runs conceded off the last ball. 3 overs gone, 13 for 1. Clipped, nice looking shot, a little bit too straight from Nathan Edward, and this was just eased away for a boundary. Oh, this could be another chance. This should be taken, is taken. Different start to his.
But not from Mohammad Zishan. The ball got big on Mohammad Wakas, a comfortable catch.
Oh, nicked. What a catch. I think this is the catch of the tournament so far.
And this time, Mohammad Zishan holds a really good delivery and Chavez does the rest. Look at that, full length dive to his right.
Oh, that's got to be out. That has got to be out. Control from this young man has been excellent. Again, we spoke about this pitch offering a bit of turn. That's fine enough to get 4. Cut off the stumps. That's a high-risk stroke, but executed well. Not quite sure you want to be playing many of shots like this one.
Over. Well and truly over. Be 1 bounce 4. Picked up. A good looking shot this is. A little bit fuller, a little bit quicker. And this will fly all the way for a maximum. Going again. Back-to-back 6s. Bowling into his arc now. Kharotai. He's got to think here now, what am I doing? Because he's just helping. Is this enough? Is enough. So this one again just lobbed up to Majid, and it is the 3rd 6 of the over. Well, I was just about to say he hasn't bowled any wides today. 5 in that first over in the first game, not a good start.
He seems to struggle to the left-hander.
Does he get enough of it? He does. What a way to go to it. A half century. His first in the tournament, and he's brought it up in 33 deliveries, 4 4s and 3 6s. Goes all the way, and what a way to bring up the 100 partnership between these two. First 100 partnership of the Pakistan Junior League, He's been brought up in just 59 deliveries.
He's got great speed and is completely messed up by the fielder at deep square leg. Overshoots the target. For a moment he thought he had it covered, but then realized that's flying over him. Plays it straight. And that's the 50 for Hasnain Majid. What a knock that is. He can raise his bat. He deserves to. That's a knock that he'll remember for a long time. That's high in the air. Will take some catching. Two fielders are coming under it. And the third one takes it from the deep. Finally, a moment of celebration for the Bahawalpur Royals.
Really good bowling. This was the target. He wanted him to go over mid-on. A brilliant catch. It had to take a catch like this to get Hasnain out.
Yeah, he's got pace, and that can be put away as well. Quicker they come and faster they go.
And Tom Espinwall joins the party.
Full toss, put away. Yes, maximum. Well, he's been waiting to get an opportunity to bowl, but he's been given the ball when the batter is on 81. Catch it is the call. Long on getting under it. Aram and out. So the bowler who's been waiting for the longest time comes in and tells you how to get rid of Siobhan. What a knock this was.
He sends the long on back, gets the man. The big wicket of Siobhan Daniel. And once the catch is taken, he goes to the batter and congratulates him. Both are happy. Siobhan Daniel walks back after a brilliant knock of 81. Gujranwala 170 for 6. Last ball.
Call is for 2. It's the last ball. Keep pushing it, and they will come back easily. What an innings this has been from Gujranwala Giants. Once again, from 24 for 4 in the power play, they've managed to end up with 179 for 6 in the 20 overs at 8.9 runs. What an innings we witnessed here. 179 for 6, the highest total as of now in the Pakistan Junior League. And what a recovery, 24 for 4 in the power play. And then that 122-run partnership between Majid and Siobhan, taking the side to 179, 81 from just 51 deliveries from Siobhan Daniel and 50 of 38 from Majid Hasnain. Bahawalpur Royal Boilers had a good time in the power play, but they were unaware of what's coming their way. 2 wickets for Zishan and a wicket apiece for Sajjad, Mane, Edward and Nawab, but they couldn't stop the run flow that was coming from the bat of Siobhan and Majid. Conceded 179 in the 20 overs. So the target is going to be tough but not impossible. Bahawalpur Royals will have to make 180 at 9 runs and over to win this match. Let's join the action.
Right, let's play. And on the leg side. Well, just to reflect on what we saw in that first game, in the 6th over. Clipped away, timed properly enough to get 4. First boundary of the innings. Through the field in that cover region, was struck firmly. Little blunder allows for 4 to be conceded. And again, that's a gorgeous looking extra cover drive, consecutive boundaries. Got stumped. Stumped beautiful, way back past the bowler. 4 more. That was short with pace on. And no protection in that deep fine leg position because the man is inside the 30-yard circle. Lofted shot. Just a little too full and a little too wide on that occasion.
Runs are coming in. They're keeping up with that run rate. Not a very good effort down there in the deep. Should have been and cut that off. That's Bahawalpur racing to their 50. 52 for no loss in the 6th over, just at the start of it.
What a reply this has been. I think we've seen a little bit of poor fielding throughout. Needed to probably get a dive in.
I think that's taken the top edge of the bat. It's just at the shoulder of the bat. And it's gone flying over the keeper for a boundary.
And what Basit Ali has to think here, hang on, I can't hit my way to 170 here. They've found themselves so far ahead. That is the fastest 50, so his 50 comes up. 50 off 26 balls, so he's beating his previous best.
Non-striker direct, yes, gone. It's got to be out. Johan is unhappy with Basit. He was not really sure if he wants to go for that single, but he was dragged out of his crease.
And always send him back. Yeah, there's a little bit of hesitation.
Up and over, in and out, and that's 4. Needs a lot of skill to play a stroke like this. And he's playing with a bit of aggression, but this one miscued and goes straight to that fielder in that long on position. So another wicket coming at a critical time.
And Mohammad Shan taking this big wicket of the captain Ubaid Shahid. He was not out in the last chase for Royals, but not this time.
That's a beauty, a real beauty out of nowhere. Shan produces a gem of a delivery.
Shahwez Irfan, he scored 18 not out in the last chase. Inside edge onto the stumps.
Gone for the big shot and gets hold of it. Flies all the way for 6. Basit Ali continues his aggression and onslaught. Powered and goes all the way for 6. My goodness, that's an impressive stroke. Only the 3rd delivery face. And Shan pumped over long on for 6. Slapped wide of long on and goes all the way for half a dozen.
There it is. They needed a wicket, a good piece of keeping again, because you couldn't have seen that early because it went between.
And straight into the gloves, whips off the bails in no time at all.
Oh, does he get enough of this? I think he does. He times it beautifully and he'll fly it all the way. They needed an early boundary and they've got an early boundary and it's a maximum. I'm not sure he gets enough of this one. Maybe does. Yeah, he does. Back-to-back 6s. So release of pressure. Kurotai has come in and decided this is the over now. We take this over down. He's gone short. In the air. Should be out. Is out. Another great catch.
After he's been put away those first couple of deliveries, but yeah, you can see he's deliberately bowled that into the pitch. And this is a good catch. Always going away from him. And difficult to judge when that ball's going off your shoulder.
In the air. Pressure. What pressure? Hit it out the park. Get yourself a boundary away from 100, the first 100 as well. Gets it through. 100. What a performance from Basit Ali. 50 in the first game, 100 in the second game. He's 100 off 56 deliveries, 12 fours and 4 sixes. Take a bow, young man.
Magnificent innings. Unbelievable.
Oh, will be a victory given a no ball, but what a way to win. Look at the team coming in. They know what a performance this has been. Basit Ali, take a bow. 100 in your second game. And back-to-back wins for the Royals.
Bahawalpur Royals, what a massive chase it was, with Basit Ali's not out 102 of 58 helped them to chase this down with 2 balls to spare, 180 for 5. It was a beautiful run chase from Basit Ali alone, single-handedly leading their side to a win. The bowlers couldn't do much. This was a high-scoring game. Bowlers from both sides were under the bump. Here, 3 for 44 for Shan, the highest wicket taker, but the runs kept on coming. 1 for 28 for Aqib Asghar. Gujranwala Giants had no answer to Basit Ali's knock of 106 not out. Having a quick look at the match summary, Gujranwala Giants recovering from 24 for 4 in their power play to 179 for 6 with a brilliant partnership between Siobhan Daniel and Majid Hasnain, and putting up 122 runs together. Well, who knew that Bahawalpur Royals and their batter Basit Ali had other ideas, scoring 102 not out of just 58, winning the match for the side with 2 balls to spare and 5 wickets was the final margin. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights of match 4 of the Pakistan Junior League. Until next time, goodbye.